Hello everyone and welcome back to Day Trading Recap, day 28, or no, day 28, what, day 30. Today we took a small $250 loss. We traded on the 1 minute and got stopped out because I really didn't follow my plan. So what we're first gonna, I'll just start off with what actually happened. Market opens and because of 10 a.m. high impact news, we ripped up higher, so this turned into a rip move. And then what are we forming here? Forming all these 5 minute lows to target because that's what you target on rip moves. You target 5 minute and 15 minute lows because those are magnets, bag work magnets. Anyways, this isn't exactly the trade I took here. This is what we were looking at though, because basically what we have here after we form our first low down here, we're waiting for a break of structure. We form another low, we get a break of structure, we form our order block right here off of this candle here. Price pushes into that, we get bearish closure out of that, and then this becomes our first target. But the risk off of this is really bad. So then what I did was I waited for a pullback move, which I've never done before. Like if I never even like looked and back tested if this would work. I don't know what made me like do this. I was like on my phone. I wasn't even planning on trading today because like keep in mind this is 11 o'clock. Market still hasn't made its move yet. Like markets were just like super slow and choppy today. Like nothing really happened. But yeah, unfortunately, we get stopped out. I'm not saying it was because the risk was too low we got stopped out. We got stopped out because the confluences just didn't hit there. But we wouldn't have taken this trade if we didn't enter with this bad risk, which that basically sums it up. And then after that, oh, we break structure to the upside. Okay, we need all our new confirmation confluences. And it's like, okay, break of structure and break structure back to the upside without a retracement. Waiting here, we don't break structure below this low. We create like an equal low. Right here, we get a break of structure, and we do retrace into the fair value gap. But what happens after that? We break structure back to the upside, and we do get bearish closure, but we already broke structure back to the upside, so that's not valid anymore. And then what do we get right here? This is nearly an A plus setup. Literally off this point right here, we form SMT. This is S&P 500, and this is NASDAQ SMT right here because S&P took out this high while NASDAQ stayed below it. So we trade on the leading index. And then what we get is we get push out of the order block, and then it may not look like much of a retracement, but what happens is all you need for an order block to work is first of all define an order block. What do you look for? The move up before a break of structure, or the move up or down before a break of structure in a liquidity sweep, or after drawn liquidity got hit. So what's that? These up candles right here, that's our order block. And then what happens? We push out of it without breaking structure, and then we push into it at the same time and then break structure. So what did we get there? We got SMT, break of structure, and order block on the same candle. I didn't catch this move because it was really hard to actually catch. And then what happens? We rip down right after that, literally edge take profit, get back up to just about break even. Then we actually hit our take profit points, and literally we gun all the way down through all these lows and hit the 15-minute low right here, which honestly I was aiming to take my first profits here because this like literally these are equal lows. These ones are a little off, but these are almost like all equal lows. But to be honest, we literally this candle just comes down here instantly and it's the take profit. So we're almost closing first profits here and then second profits right here. And then this is the trade we should have taken. I just missed it. I didn't even see the SMT into just like a couple minutes ago, and I was looking over this before I started recording. But dude, this is really annoying because I'm gonna be real with y'all. We're down $750 this week, and we're down $1,500 on the month. It's demo trading, but like, dude, remember how when I first started doing this on day one, I told you guys in October we're gonna do the funded? Honestly, I don't know if that's a possibility, but to be honest, if I am profitable next week, I will consider if I'm profitable on the month in September, then like if I'm profitable in August this next week, then I'll be like, okay, well then if I'm profitable the month of September, like I'll just call August good, and then if I'm profitable the month of September, then I'll be like, okay, I think I'm just about ready for the funded challenge. But if I'm not even profitable September, I'll just throw on another month. Because to be honest, I haven't really had a real profitable month. I've had profitable weeks like here and there, but really to be honest with you guys, the first three trades I took this month, like the trade on Tuesday, Thursday, and or Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, were all just horrible trades, all against my bias, all trades I should have never even taken. I don't even remember what I was doing there. It was just really stupid. I don't even know what I was thinking taking all the trades. I was trading off of like order blocks and using them as like key as yeah, like levels to for price to bounce off of like support and resistance. That's basically what I was doing. And obviously I was losing. I wasn't trading with a bias. I wasn't doing any of that. But now we got a bias. We're trading with the 1 minute strategy. 1 minute strategy, it works like clockwork, bro. I've been back testing it. It's really good. There's a little things you gotta like know about it, but to be honest, it is really good to trade with. The only thing that's a little sketchy is taking two trades in a row because this would have been my second trade on the day, which would have brought me just about back to break even, maybe a little higher. Maybe I would have made like $100 on the day. But yeah, honestly, that's probably it, guys. Took a loss today, minus $250, down 750 on the week. But honestly, I just need a better headspace. I need to start going into the weeks with like thinking, because I go into this week thinking like, okay, I gotta be profitable by the end of August. I gotta just start thinking like, you have infinite time to be profitable. Which that's what I'm gonna start thinking now. Gonna take it day by day. Be like, okay, this is my first day. This is my first day on the markets ever. I haven't lost anything. I haven't made anything before. We're just gonna go on this day and be like, nothing else has ever happened. And we're just gonna be like, let's take a win. Let's do our best. That's what I'm gonna think. But anyways, that'll do it for today, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you want more trading recaps. Leave a comment down below if you need help with anything trading related. And I will see you guys tomorrow, or yeah, tomorrow for our weekly analysis or weekly recap on what I should have done this week. Honestly, I'll just go over like the 5 minute stuff, to be honest. Not the 1 minute stuff yet because I'm not like that in tune with it. I'll just go over what I did wrong and what I missed. Anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow for our weekly recap.